As you can see behind me, I got a couple of things set up just to check a couple of the maintenance items like my fluids, my battery, and my filter. So let's begin. I have my air cleaner box opened up. The air filter was just changed at 50,000 miles. That's when it was due according to my factory scheduled maintenance. Let's see how she looks. You can see here it's still in pretty good shape, and it's not due again for several thousand miles, probably about 12 months. So we're going to just keep an eye on it at every factory scheduled maintenance and change it according to the owner's manual.